In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add MACD indicator on Tradingview. The MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is a powerful tool used by traders to analyze market trends and momentum. It's widely regarded as one of the essential indicators for technical analysis. Whether you're a beginner looking to understand the basics or an experienced trader trying to refine your strategy, knowing how to add and use the MACD on Tradingview can help elevate your trading game. If you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along with this tutorial. Let's get started. First, open Tradingview in your web browser. Tradingview is a fantastic platform that combines advanced charting tools with a user-friendly interface, making it a go-to choice for traders worldwide. Once the homepage loads, locate the products menu at the top of the page. This menu is your gateway to all the tools and workspaces Tradingview has to offer. Hover over it, and from the drop-down menu, select Chart. This will open a new chart window, or it will load your preferred chart if you've set one up before. The chart is the central workspace where you'll be conducting all your technical analysis. Now that your chart is open, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the chart window. You'll see various options here. But for this tutorial, look for the Indicators button. It's typically represented by a beaker icon or labeled as Indicators, depending on your version of Tradingview. Click on this button to open the Indicators menu. A pop-up window will appear, and at the top of this window, you'll see a search bar. In the search bar, type MACD. This will filter the results and show you all related indicators. From the search results, locate the MACD listed under the built-in section. This is the standard version of the MACD indicator provided by Tradingview. It's a great choice because it's pre-configured with the most commonly used settings, making it easy to start with. Once you've found it, click on the MACD option to add it to your chart. You'll notice that the MACD panel appears below your main price chart. This panel displays two moving averages and a histogram. The moving averages help you identify the trend direction, while the histogram provides visual cues about the momentum and strength of the trend. Together, these elements make the MACD an incredibly useful tool for analyzing price action. To get the most out of the MACD, take some time to explore how it responds to different stock symbols and timeframes. For example, you can switch between stocks, indices, or even cryptocurrencies to see how the MACD adapts to market conditions. Similarly, adjusting the timeframe, whether it's a 1-minute chart for short-term trades or a daily chart for long-term analysis, can give you a better understanding of the indicator's behavior. This hands-on exploration will help you tailor the MACD to your specific trading needs. And that's it. You've successfully added the MACD indicator to your Tradingview chart. By understanding how to apply this tool and experimenting with it in different scenarios, you'll be better equipped to make informed trading decisions. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.